This is Justin Amazon on Thursday, February 18th, 2021. Taking a look at the 5 minute here. Right out the gate, we had a really nice high wave candle, ran up with 5 bullish candles into the 21, came back down, bounced off this line. So I drew this line in 2 days ago and extended it to the right. It held really well. I showed the levels, the price levels I used for this line in yesterday's video. It worked great. Here's the price levels again, and put in a really nice hammer here. And looking at the 33.50 call, put in a really nice base down here around 3, and then ran up really quickly. I did not trade this, and I missed all that, which would have been really nice to get that. But because it did that, I thought, well, there's a chance it could come back or something. It pushed above this line. This line is from really close to the midpoint between our two resistance lines, the upper zone and the lower zone, or the upper line and lower line of the zone, the resistance zone. It pulled back into the 21, right back into this line on this candle. I had an order set up to get in at 4 by 3, and it filled, I believe, on this candle. Yeah, at I want to say it was 11:02 my time. I think it filled on this candle, which was, or this one maybe, right at $4, which was great. And then I was actually away, not watching the trade. When I got back, it was over here, and it's like, oh, this is working. This is great, And had it's Thursday, so I had my target set at 8, and this candle started coming. And as this candle's coming in, right before it got to 8, I canceled the order. Thought, okay, this thing's really moving. It's shown that it's got some upward trend action here. Looks like it could keep pushing higher and just keep on going. I was hoping we'd get up to 33.50. Thought by then it would hit the $12 target. I knew 8R target. So from 4 plus 8 hours is 8, or is 12. Sorry. And so I set my new target at 12, and my stop, I got it right at 8. I'm like, if I'm going to get out of this, I'm going to get those 4 hours either way. And I then got stopped out of this candle, or trailed out, not stopped out. Nice gain. I was just hoping that this candle wouldn't come in this sharply, pulling back. And what's crazy is this really big, massive bearish candle matches up with this little tiny candle that didn't even break the low. It just didn't seem fair. But that's what happened, and I was almost happy it didn't make it up to 12. It held kind of the same resistance over here with this wick, came all the way back down, had one more rally that looked really similar to this candle, but this one really did nothing. It just went sideways, and that was this candle here. So this candle on the 5 minute and this candle on the 5 minute look similar, different places. This one's crossing through the 21. This one was continuing, breaking out to a new high in the day. Like I said, I just didn't expect this candle to have as much of a pullback on the call. Puts really didn't do anything. The only thing he had is a bit of a retest here to yesterday's close. So if I just hold the cursor there, you can see the closing price lined up really well with this high. That was happening at the same time this retracement happened. Pulled a little bit further through the lines from yesterday, but they worked so well yesterday. I was hoping that they would work really well today, and they were really good guidelines. They did. I was trading them, so that was great. So that trade was 4R, had some actual positive slippage. Lost an R trying to get in at around 4 over here, and then traded something else over here, lost less than an R. So overall positive on the day, but I love having this was a great win, getting over 4R on a trade, and just not even having to watch the trade and just letting it work, and it holding the levels that I was watching. Right here was great, seeing that hold really well, and turning into a really nice morning star reversal and an evening star reversal on the put. So that's the confluence, and it worked again today. So that's good. Hope this helps. This is Justin Amazon. Thanks.